A 2-year-old child presented with cold and cough for 5 days and breathlessness for 1 day. There is no fever. Mother has recurrent sinusitis and is allergic to dust. There is no contact with TB. On examination, the child has bilateral wheeze, as well as a pinched nose and is a mouth breather and has similar complaints once every month for past 6 months. What could be the diagnosis? Let us know in the comments.